Diyaluma waterfall, the second highest waterfall in Sri Lanka, 35 kilometers from Haputale. You could go there by bus or rickshaw. To get close to the waterfall, you need to hike. Your efforts will be rewarded. Here, the performance of the water is really breathtaking. Falling drops create the magnificent cascade. They play joyful, loud games in the arms of the rocks. You could take a lot of beautiful photos and spend quality time with your loved ones. Enjoy your time in Haputale.
Good morning. So it's a good time, yeah. Here in Sri Lanka, you can not only take the bus, the red big bus, but there is also this little minibus that are quite comfortable. So you can also come to the Diyaluma waterfall in bus from Haputale. It will be the cheapest way. You just have to come from Haputale all the way to this junction. It's called Beragala Junction. Bus that go to Coast Landa. It's just 18 kilometers. This is interesting.
Not so easy with this bag and with one hand to climb and record with another hand. Do it! Yeah, I did it! Wow, looks so nice. Falling on the water is really very artistic. Yeah, I'm coming! I'm coming! I'm here! We going back Also not so easy with all this equipment. And here, also not so possible.
Yeah, so I put like too much shutter speed and things like that.
Phew, here we go. Guys, help us to in our journey from waterfall to home.
Okay, thank you. Have a beautiful night.